Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Windows version and build. This matters because steps differ between releases. Once you have that, back up critical files and create a restore point so you can undo changes. Then, reboot into safe mode or use a recovery USB if the system won't load. This isolates third-party interference. Make sure you note recent installs or updates. Those are common culprits, so you can remove or roll them back as the next step. Now you diagnose the root cause by running sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files, followed by dism to fix the component store. These commands heal core Windows components. Next, open Event Viewer and locate the error codes or timestamps that match crashes so you can target the precise fault. After that, address drivers, update GPU, storage, and chipset drivers, or roll them back if problems followed an update. Finish by applying pending Windows updates and restarting. Stability over the next 24 to 48 hours confirms success. If problems persist, use System Restore to return to a known good point or perform a clean install as a last resort. This removes persistent corruption. And if you still see errors, collect Event Viewer logs, minidumps, and exact error codes. Then contact support or a technician. One troubleshooting tip: safe mode testing quickly reveals whether hardware or drivers caused the problem. Start there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.